The grit training for professional teams is all about getting under the surface and working with the attitudes, the mindsets, the belief systems of the individuals that make up that team. And the approach is really based on the premise that if you want to create long-lasting change at a deep level in the outcomes and the performance of a team, you need to work with the way that the people in that team think. So grit is based on a group coaching model. It's designed to lead participants through a series of structured training conversations that are designed to support them in seeking out the aspects of their mindset, the aspects of their way of thinking that have become limiting in them making an impact within their workplace. So just as a function of being human, we all make interpretations about the world, and our experiences feed into that, our opinions, our judgments, our assumptions, our biases. And without that opportunity to really reflect, without that space that is safe, highly challenging and highly supportive, those interpretations can become limiting in terms of what we believe is possible and what impact we're able to make. So grit is really about providing that space. It's about providing that high level of challenge, that high level of support, that structure, that rigour, to enable participants to locate these limiting ways of seeing themselves, of seeing their organisation, of seeing each other, and doing it collectively, so that they're not just doing it on behalf of themselves as an individual, but on behalf of their culture, and really beginning to think about, if those old interpretations are not useful, then what do they want to create for themselves, and what is their role in creating that, and really getting to grips with this sense of agency that they can create and own their experience of work. We're seeing people changing the way that they run their organisations and changing the way that they talk to each other, changing the nature of their relationships, and ultimately transforming their performance and transforming what's possible for the people that they serve.